Alright, what's up guys and welcome back to the channel. And yeah, today I'm just going to do a really short video on this particular engine right here. So yeah, I featured it in some of my videos and some of my posts, and a lot of you guys have actually requested to make a video about it. So yeah, here it is. And it's basically like a compound turbo Cummins, probably 12 valve or 24 valve, not really one specific generation, but yeah. Alright, so this engine was basically originally designed to go into this truck, which is a build of my second gen. And yeah, I basically modded it into like a race truck, as you can see. So yeah, it's got like a full slick in the back instead of dual tires. It's got like a little fuel cell in the bed. It's got like a radiator right there, bumper delete, a little lift pump down there, and yeah, basically a lot of mods just to make it like a race truck. And yeah, this engine definitely fits it pretty well. It's got compound turbos, as I said, and yeah, it fits just about as well as it could possibly fit. I mean, obviously the hood's not going to close. It doesn't even have a hood actually. You can actually put a hood and like make it in the open position. Yeah, kind of like this, which I think looks pretty good. Like if you're gonna like, I guess, service it or something, and it just looks a bit more realistic. And yeah, I guess that's the truck, but I'll now explain a little bit more about this particular motor. And yeah, so as you can see, it's got twin turbos symbolized by these pieces right here. And yeah, so it's got turbo number 1 down here, which then feeds into turbo number 2 up here, which then's got this pipe running above the engine right here, which then leads into this intercooler at the front. Which then has this pipe that basically leads into the intake. And yeah, so that's basically how the engine works, and then of course it's got a hood stack. And yeah, so that's basically the basics of this engine, and now I'll do a like short build tutorial on it. I mean, you could probably figure out how to build it just from this video, but yeah, I'll still just do a tutorial. Alright, so there you have it. Basically a miniature scale Cummins engine with compound turbos. And yeah, so I guess now you can basically use it in any scene or any vehicle, and yeah, just about do anything you want. Anyway, with that said, thanks for watching everyone, and see you in the next one.